and once it get downloaded hopefully and you didn't get any error, if so, you look carefully on error code and search on the internet. Indeed, you will find a solution. And if everything's okay, so let's go and look on the directory structure. It never works. Yep. And now you will see some directories listed down there. Your projects are well maintained, so well maintained. If I click on a project learning PHP, click oops. So every aspect of this is not well maintained, so installing web server is not so difficult. Just you have to follow the instructions, and when we're ready, and it will automatically install, set up some packages for you, as I told you before. Apache, PHP, and MySQL database alongside phpmyadmin, like this. There's some definition. So in the first installment, or one thing I have to mention is that in the first installation of WAMP server, you will never get your requested file when you click on any of this. If example, I am clicking on Ajax, it redirecting me to the directory, but when you install first time on your WAMP on your PC, you have to do some changes, little changes. So go to WAMP. Inside the www folder, you will find a file named index.php down there. Click on index.php and open it in with your favorite text editor or IDE, Sublime Text. Click on it, and you can also open this in Notepad, and there are some instructions there. And scroll down. Yeah, there, project contents. And so you can see something like URL, but in a PHP standard. And so now let's check. Delete localhost from here and refresh. Go back to the browser, refresh the browser, and click on the Ajax again. Now let's see what happens. Yep, it's giving the error, web page is not available. So as same error, your browser will be showing to you when you install the fresh install, when you install first time. So now what you have to do is there is a tab local host / so this is not a major problem. Maybe there was HTTP is not mentioned, or any colon is missing, or any semicolon is missing, or this may be anything. So now let's refresh, and so save and refresh the browser. Click on Ajax. Yeah, it's giving me the directory structure. So in the last, I'm going to show you the phpmyadmin. There you will see some databases, structures, users, privileges, SQL query, panel, and something like settings, tables, etc, etc. Yeah, as you can see, there are the databases exam. I have created exam is on the top. There's alphabetical wise, the order is alphabetical wise sorted out. So now, as you can see, there are some tabs: SQL, status, users. So click on this users first of all, and you'll see there are some users privileges, the user and then user, and the host, and then the password, global privileges, grant, action. You can edit any user by clicking on this anyone, and you can add a new user too. So what we are which user we are using in this, we are using the last one, which has user root and the local host name, local host, and the password is no means empty, there is no password. You can set the password by clicking on edit privileges, and if you want to add a new user, just click on add user, and if you want to delete a user or remove, click on root and just click on the go button. The your user will be deleted. And you can also import databases from import tab. You choose the file, and then the max file size is 128 MB. And now go to the SQL. You can execute any query from here, like shared databases, which we will do in the later tutorials. And now you can change something like go to the setting and change the name of DB. You click on DB first of all, click is a PHP test, and now you click on operations, a new table. Here you can, from here, rename the database. You can just change the DB name to examination, and click on go. Create database examination, drop database exam. Oops, 1 minute. Yeah, okay, click on okay. Yeah, so now it changes to examination. And you can also truncate some, means empty some tables from inside the table. Just select this, click on PHP test. It's a table, then PHP test. You can find some columns. The first column is IT, and the second column, third column, fourth column, and the rows containing different kind of data. And so now go to more and operations, click on operations, and you can, so let me show you an example. Here you can delete a table, and you can also empty the table, which also called truncate. And so let's just, you can also insert a new row, a new column, so a new row from the insert tab. So whatever you have given the name of your column, your column ID will be present with name, question, option 1, and others 2, option 2, option 3, and what I have to show you now is there. Okay, so it's enough for this tutorial. So in the next tutorial we are going to create our very first file. So that's it. Allah Hafiz, fi amanillah.